Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, March 26th. My name's Artie with CoinCasso, and we're going to get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. Not much has changed in the past 24 hours. We did see a huge fluctuation after yesterday's video that I released in the morning. We saw a spike in Bitcoin up to 6,900, and then immediately after 30 minutes, it dropped down to 6,500, and it's been trading sideways ever since. The current price of Bitcoin is $6,679.61. This is only a change of 0.09% from yesterday. Ethereum is down 2% at $135.64. Dash down 1% at $67.71. And Litecoin also down 2% at $39.08. Join us later today when we cover the top news articles in the last 24 hours, and maybe we can see some correlation as to why the price of Bitcoin shot up and then went straight back down 30 minutes later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of it. Please don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.